Hey Plant Pals, Mike the Gardener, and today is a cooking video. I've got some ribs and some burgers that I patted out to throw on the grill, and I have some okra. Now I tried okra raw. I did not like it. The flavor was okay, but the you know how the okra gels up? Well, from chewing it, it was gelling up in my mouth, and I did not like that. That was not cool. Did not ask permission. So I'm going to try. They say if you cook it with a dry heat, like I like fried okra well enough, but it's crunchy with the cornmeal and all that stuff, and it's not that jelly stuff. And I like it if it's cooked like simmered a long time in a stew in little pieces. It probably thickens the stew without you know all that gooey stuff. I hate it. So yeah, I'm gonna try dry grilling it, and I'm gonna see if it turns out if I like it. So I'm gonna got this all ready to go. Gonna heat up the grill, and I'm gonna get cooking. I'm gonna try to put these on a very hot thing to see if they. Oops, supposed to be cut side down. We'll see. These are delicious as people try to claim. I know that's gonna be delicious, and that's gonna be delicious. This, no idea. Ew, okra seed. Eh. Let's just pull two more right now. There's all kinds of little baby ones, which is pretty cool. Yeah, so I'm gonna throw these on the grill too. And while I'm out here, this was my first bigger size blushing tomatoes. They're starting to blush. That one, the squirrels almost probably would have been eyeballing that one. And then these are my little cherry tomatoes that I've been harvesting recently, which is really cool. Hey, check it out. I got a watermelon. Little baby one. It's pretty cool. Didn't think I was going to get in. Awesome. So here's my corn. Look at the cowpea. Cowpea climbed all the way to the top of the corn. It's reaching for the sky. It's like 10 feet up in the air. It's crazy. Got some rosemary from my garden. I'm going to throw it on there. Just to add some delicious smoke. So there's a... Oh, I also got a little mutant zucchini I'm going to throw on there, just for fun. Reverse this rib. Hard to do one-handed. All right. Rotate the burgers. These ones get a flip. You can see it's cooler on the back part of the grill, so I'm probably going to move this one right there. This one here. This one right here. Set this one here. Put this one here. There. Right there. That's a chef treat right there that fell off. Alright, so this okra piece don't look like it's going to get any much more cooked than that, so I'm going to try it. They say claim it's supposed to be good like potato chips. We'll see. Alright, so I've been taste testing at different levels of cookedness. It's alright. It's not potato chips. It's okay. I think I'll grow maybe one plant next summer. Right now I got like 4. So it's nice and toasted. It's okay. It's better than raw, that's for sure. But I think I just prefer it fried or just cut up in stew. I'll probably just grow a batch like next year and just freeze it, cut it in the rings, freeze it, and then I'll add it to my like beef stew and stuff for over the winter time. That I'll like. This was okay. It's not bad. It's crunchy, which is cool. All right, I'll show you when the hamburgers and stuff are done. Them in your hands.
If I can grab it.
Wife's pulling a carrot.
She's trying to. Sucker's in there.
Watch it be like a little teeny thing fighting to come out.
It's hard to grab. How do you dig carrots out anyway? Oh, it's like two big ones together.
Want me to do it?
No. I'm strong enough. How dare you?
You can pull some small ones out with it, I don't care.
Okay.
I think I'll plant something else for the fall.
Right.
Like some sugar beets or something.
Mm-hmm. Didn't know carrots were so hard to pull out.
The struggle
The
is real.
struggle is real. Oh my gosh. So let's get the small one out of the way.
Okay.
And
Well, you get like one each side, so it's all covered in the roots.
See, here it is right here. Can you see that?
Oh yeah. I think it's a lot of them stuck together, which is dumb because I planted individual seeds, but then they like migrated and floated together.
My hand keeps slipping on the dirt. It's reading to knock this thing over.
Because I tried pulling one earlier that was like plain big, but it like snapped in half.
Right. I think it's two.
Yeah, I'll do it.
No, back off, man. It's my job. Oh, it's a triple. It's a trio.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. I give up. Okay. Whoops. I had my finger in the way.
Yeah, don't. I'll just show it now. For
Okay.
Oh yeah, it is a big one.
There's three of them in there.
Well, first I'll take the smaller one out.
Right.
Pretty good size one.
Yeah.
Decent.
Mm-hmm.
See, it wasn't even that deep.
Oh, it was just stuck together.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a good sized carrot.
Yeah.
Wash it, peel off the things.
Oh, sure, I did all the hard work.
Yes, you did. So far, I've got a lot of purples, but where's my orange ones I planted?
I know.
Oh, there's one.
There's one.
Two
Finally,
little babies.
Two little babies. We're carrot noobs.
Oh, geez.
Wow.
Some of the baby ones.
So a lot of them were clumped together.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, I'm learning. Next time I'll put the seeds in when the soil's moist, so that they don't. When I water afterwards, they don't all migrate together.
Okay, that's too funny.
It's good enough for now. Let me see. All right, one more.
More deep.
Cool. All right. My carrots.
Those babies. All right.
All right, so had some fun tooling around my garden, grilling some things. Discovered okra is just aight. Grilled. Wasn't bad. Probably, I don't know. It's kind of growing on me a little bit. the grilled part, the crunchy. So, ribs, of course, are going to take a little bit longer. You see the meat's pulling away from the bones. So this is just a high, fast cook on them. I'll let them finish out. The burgers, of course, are done. You can see the rosemary is giving its witness. Here's my zucchini. grilled. See how that tastes. I like zucchini most ways, so probably like it. All right. So there you have it. Any comments, questions in the comment section? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome day. Grill. Okra. Eh.